Welcome back to Gravity Automotive, where we break down cars the way real people actually want to understand them. And today, we're taking a deep dive into one of the most practical and quietly exciting crossovers on the market, the 2026 Subaru Crosstrek Hybrid. This is a vehicle built for people who want efficiency without giving up capability, comfort without sacrificing personality, and adventure without the guilt of burning fuel unnecessarily. Subaru has always had a loyal following, and with the Crosstrek Hybrid, they're clearly aiming to bring eco-conscious drivers into the fold without alienating their outdoorsy fanbase. At first glance, the 2026 Subaru Crosstrek Hybrid looks familiar, but that's not a bad thing. Subaru has refined the design rather than reinventing it, and the result is a crossover that feels modern, rugged, and approachable all at once. The stance is confident, with slightly more muscular body lines, a taller ride height that hints at off-road capability, and subtle hybrid-specific accents that let you know this isn't just another gas-powered compact SUV. The front fascia feels sharper, with redesigned LED headlights and a more pronounced grille, while the rear end is clean and functional, staying true to Subaru's practical roots. Step inside, and the Crosstrek Hybrid immediately feels more premium than ever before. Subaru has clearly listened to feedback, improving materials across the cabin, while keeping everything durable and easy to live with. Soft touch surfaces are more common, the seating is supportive for long drives, and visibility remains excellent, which has always been a Subaru strong point. The driving position is upright and comfortable, making it easy to feel in control whether you're commuting through traffic or heading out on a weekend road trip. The centerpiece of the interior is the updated infotainment system, which now feels faster, clearer, and more intuitive. The large touchscreen integrates navigation, smartphone connectivity, and vehicle settings in a way that doesn't overwhelm the driver. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, and wireless connectivity means fewer cables cluttering the cabin. Subaru has also improved voice commands, making it easier to adjust climate settings or enter navigation destinations without taking your eyes off the road. Passenger space is another area where the Crosstrek Hybrid shines. The rear seats offer plenty of legroom for adults, and headroom is generous thanks to the vehicle's boxy yet efficient design. Cargo space remains practical, with enough room for groceries, camping gear, or sports equipment, and the rear seats fold down to create a flat load floor for larger items. This is a vehicle that genuinely fits into everyday life without forcing compromises. Now let's talk about what really makes this Crosstrek special, the hybrid powertrain. For 2026, Subaru has refined its hybrid system to deliver smoother performance and better efficiency. The Crosstrek Hybrid combines a fuel-efficient gasoline engine with an electric motor and a compact battery pack, working together to reduce fuel consumption while maintaining the all-wheel drive capabilities Subaru is famous for. Unlike some hybrids that feel sluggish or disconnected, this setup is tuned to feel natural, with seamless transitions between electric and gas power. Around town, the Crosstrek Hybrid often operates in electric mode at low speeds, making city driving quieter and more relaxed. Acceleration is smooth and predictable, with the electric motor providing instant torque that makes stop-and-go traffic far less stressful. On the highway, the gasoline engine takes over effortlessly, offering stable cruising and confident passing power when needed. It's not a performance SUV, but it never feels underpowered for real-world driving. One of the biggest selling points here is efficiency. The 2026 Crosstrek Hybrid delivers significantly better fuel economy than the standard gasoline model, making it an excellent choice for drivers who want to save money at the pump while reducing their environmental footprint. Whether you're commuting daily or taking longer trips, the improved mileage adds up quickly, and you never have to worry about charging stations because the system charges itself as you drive. Subaru's legendary all-wheel drive remains a standard feature, and that's a major advantage over many competitors in the hybrid crossover segment. This means the Crosstrek Hybrid is just as capable in rain, snow, and light off-road conditions as its non-hybrid siblings. Paired with respectable ground clearance and Subaru's X-Mode traction system, this hybrid isn't afraid of dirt roads, muddy trails, or winter weather, making it one of the most versatile hybrids on the market. Ride quality is another highlight. The suspension is tuned for comfort without feeling floaty, soaking up bumps and rough pavement with ease. Steering is light but precise, making the Crosstrek easy to maneuver in tight city spaces while still feeling stable at higher speeds. Road and wind noise are well controlled, contributing to a calm and comfortable driving experience that feels more refined than previous generations. Safety has always been a Subaru priority, and the 2026 Subaru Crosstrek Hybrid continues that tradition with an impressive suite of standard driver assistance features. Subaru's EyeSight system includes adaptive cruise control, lane centering, automatic emergency braking, and pre-collision throttle management. These features work smoothly in the background, adding an extra layer of confidence without being intrusive. Blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and a high-quality rear-view camera further enhance everyday safety. What really sets the Crosstrek Hybrid apart is how well it balances multiple roles. It's efficient enough to satisfy environmentally conscious drivers, capable enough to appeal to adventure lovers, and comfortable enough to serve as a daily family vehicle. Few cars manage to blend these qualities so seamlessly, especially in the compact crossover segment. From a value perspective, the Crosstrek Hybrid makes a strong case for itself. While the initial price may be higher than the standard model, the long-term savings in fuel costs, combined with Subaru's reputation for reliability and strong resale value, make it a smart investment. Add in lower emissions, excellent safety ratings, and year-round usability, and it becomes clear why this vehicle stands out. In a market crowded with crossovers that all seem to blend together, the 2026 Subaru Crosstrek Hybrid manages to carve out its own identity. It doesn't scream for attention, but it quietly delivers where it matters most. It's practical, efficient, capable, and thoughtfully designed, making it an ideal choice for drivers who want a little bit of everything without going overboard. So, if you're looking for a compact crossover that can handle your daily commute, your weekend adventures, and your desire to be more fuel conscious, the 2026 Subaru Crosstrek Hybrid deserves a serious look. This is Subaru doing what it does best, evolving with the times while staying true to its core values. And that's exactly why it feels like such a well-rounded package.